welcome back to Chicoria. The last one in the Valentine series is a cute red gemstone in the shape of a heart. Let's begin.
Chicoria!
I'm gonna start by drawing a regular heart shape, nice and curvy. You might be wondering that for a gemstone we need the edges to be sharp. Let me teach you how to do that. I'm gonna start by marking some points on the outline of the heart, leaving definite intervals like this. Done. Now join all the points with straight lines. There we go. This eliminates the curves and makes the edges sharp. From here, draw a straight line 2 centimeters in length and draw a smaller heart from there. We are going to repeat the same steps, that is, mark the points, and join them with straight lines. Observe, between this and this there are 2 points and here only 1. Now carefully follow how I'm going to join all the points from both the hearts. They all need to be straight lines. You can use a ruler. Oops, I forgot this one. And the last. Okay, the gem is done. I'm adding a cute face. You know, they say diamonds are forever. I say love is forever too. What do you think? Time for black outlines. Okay, the coloring for this is a little tricky. It's going to be monochromatic, that is, I'm using tints and shades of a single color red, lighter and darker. Let's start with the red. Start by coloring the inner heart with red. Now, using the same red, fill the alternate segments on the outer heart, like this. For the rest of the segments, I'm using lighter red on this half of the heart. And darker on the other half. Alright, here's the beautiful sparkling red gemstone. I hope you loved it. Please like, share and subscribe for more amazing ideas.